Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. Hi, so today's video is going to be it's going to be an unbagging video. I'm going to be doing my Morphe Me LiveGlam unboxing, unbagging or whatever. So today I'm going to go ahead and do that because, okay, first off, let's go ahead and talk about it. I canceled my boxes because I didn't like the months of 2 months, I believe. So with the subscription is $20 a month, you could get up to 3 to 8 brushes a month. This is by Morphe. And what you could do is also cancel it whenever you want. When you don't like the brushes, you could cancel them. You could get another brush collection, or you could just skip the month. And they don't overcharge you or anything. So all you gotta do is skip months or just cancel your card, and then you could do reactivate whenever you want. When you reactivate, they do give you a free brush. So basically for July 4th I did reactivate my account, and I was gonna get a free brush, but because it was July 4th they gave me an extra free brush. So I got 2 free brushes and my 3 brushes of the month. So this is what the pamphlet looks like, and it of course has 3 brushes, and it is these 3 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the brushes, and if you guys do want to check them out, go ahead and on LiveGlam or morpheme.com or something like that. I'm not sure exactly, but I could go ahead and link you guys with my link. I have a link under for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the brushes I did get. Everything does come wrapped up in these little plastic bags. Like I said, I did get 3. I got 2 free brushes, and I got 3 of the ones for the month. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the free brushes I did get. I did get this one here. Can't even open it. Okay. You know what, guys? Okay. So the first. I can't even take this shit off, guys. Seriously. Okay, I'm having technical. Okay, there you go. So the first brush I did get was this one. This is a free brush. This is the Morphe M574. It's just a pencil brush, and it's super pretty. You can't say no for brushes, guys. Seriously. And I feel like with this subscription, you guys could get your like a big brush collection if you guys are beginners, or you guys are makeup artists or whatever, or you guys just love makeup. This is a really good way to get your collection started. This is the E35 brush, and it's just also a small little detailing brush. I freaking love these brushes because I like using them for under my eyes or either to inner corners. So the first brush that I did get that was from the collection, which is this one. This is the, I think it's the round, no, it's this one. It's the M450, which is the round powder brush. I think it's that one, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the brush. These brushes are so pretty. I wanted these brushes to start my collection again because I really fell in love with these. I can actually use these for contouring or bronzing, applying powder under my eyes. This is a really pretty nice brush. So this is the first brush I got. This is the Morphe M450, and this is M450. This is a round powder brush. Killer contours and snatch sculpting are in your future. With this soft powder brush, your face and these dome bristles create the perfect pair. So this is what it looks like. This down here, this one. So let's go ahead and do the other one. The first brush. The second brush is this one. Oh my god, I'm excited. I love these brushes for like applying foundation or powder. This is the Morphe M446, and it's just a round like kabuki brush or whatever. This is the round buffer brush M446. This rounded kabuki style brush fits the curves of your face to perfect blend foundation, like blending up a delicious fruit smoothie. Okay, whatever. This is what this one is. Love it, love it. And then we have the last brush here, which is the M448, and it doesn't want to open. Okay, there you go. And I freaking love this one. This one I'm gonna be probably using it for highlight. I like these brushes for highlighting. This is the Morphe M448, and it's really pretty nice pointed brush. It will be able to give me a little nice highlight, so I like that. This one is a pointed powder brush. Define those fine features of yours with your sleek taper brush. This brush will have your feelings just peachy throughout the hottest days. So this is what that looks like. I'm super excited. I fucking love this collection. Like I said, this is the reason why I did my kind of signed in back on and activated my card so they could get my brushes back again going on every month. So I will be charged $20 a month for these brushes. It is up to 3 to 8 brushes. Now these brushes are super they're affordable if you buy them individually, but basically these big brushes are like $14.99, $13.99, $11.99. The subscription is $20. I did get 3 big ones. These are considered big brushes, so this is more than what you are paying for. So they're super cheap, super bomb. Go ahead and check them out. I hope you guys will not regret it. I thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.